Hey everybody, it's Mark again, and I get people ask questions all the time about pendulums for novelty clocks. And so this video is going to discuss pendulum for novelty clocks. Now you can buy them or you can make them, and I'm going to show you some of my novelty clocks. So kick back, relax, grab something to eat, grab something to drink, and let's learn things. On a side note, do y'all like my pendulum bob that I made for this Hummel clock? It cost me a whole quarter. In case you don't see what it is, it's a quarter. But as you can see, it ticks away just fine. I forgot to show you how much these clocks were selling for. This says it's a quartz anniversary clock, but it's not. I don't believe. It's sold for $42.22 plus another $110.54 in shipping, located in the UK. I'm going to click on it. I'm pretty sure it's not a quartz clock. It could be. It is a quartz clock. I'm surprised it sold for that. Here's one that's not a quartz clock, and it sold for $90 plus another $13.30 in shipping. And here's another one that sold for $31.99 plus $9.65 in shipping, but it says parts or repair. Now, so
On the average, about $120. But this is a second gift I'm giving them. I already gave them money that will help them out on their honeymoon. And the clock is keeping perfect time. It's been running for over an hour. I do have the dome off because in case I had to adjust it. But I didn't add it to the video of me repairing this clock, so I just wanted to add it to my next video.
Now this clock is a clock that's got two fingers that move back and forth as it ticks. And it just, the pendulum is just a wire with a wooden bob on it. And I just put that thing on there. Now these things only last 30 hours. So if you make a pendulum, as long as it ticks and works, it doesn't really matter how accurate it is because you have to wind it every day, so you might as well set the time. But you can get them fairly accurate. Another Black Forest clock is just a wire with a wooden bob. Black Forest Snow White and Seven Dwarfs clock, a wire with a bob. This is another Black Forest clock with a wire and a bob. This is a clock that's got it's a Dutch style clock. It's a wire with a bob. The Popo Owl clocks that have moving eyes is just a wire with a bob. This is a quarter-hour cuckoo clock. And I've got to fix it, but it's just a wire with a bob. Now these Lux pendulum clocks, the pendulum is part of the movement. And so you have to have special pendulums for them. But these Hummel clocks, I made this pendulum. And all it is a wire that I cut out I used my hole saw and I drilled out a piece of wood and then I glued a quarter to it. How accurate it is, it doesn't really matter as long as the thing stays running, but you can slide that bob up and down. Now the Lux pendulum clocks, pendulums move really fast. As far as the keys, the Hummel clocks takes a number 2. The Lux pendulum clocks take either a number 2 or a number 4. This one is a Lux clock, but it was made in... this one is a Lux clock, but it was made in Canada. And you could tell it was made in Canada by the position of the 9. And it takes a number 4. Quarter-hour cuckoo clock is just a wire with a wooden bob. And then I made this pendulum. It's a special kind of clock. And I made the pendulum out of Minnie Mouse. Just like this. It takes people... And those people, it's a double swinger pendulum. And so instead of buying the people, I made these out of gnomes that I bought at the dollar store. And this is kind of like a Lux clock, but it's not. But it's just a wire with a wooden bob. And the bird bounces back and forth. This is like plaster material. It's not Cerakote like the Lux pendulum clocks. This is a key off the time savers that you would order for like the Hummel and the Lux pendulum clocks. It's a number 2. But instead of ordering just the one key, you should order like this set right here that has interchangeable heads on it. Or you can order these. Even sizes and odd sizes. They're $10 each. That way you can wind up all kinds of clocks. Now these are the kind of pendulum that would be used on the Hummel clock. There's the part number. These are the kind of pendulums that I've been showing you. It's just a wire with a wooden bob. It's 7 3/4 inches long. It's $2.50 each. And this again is on Time Savers. You can buy them or you can make them. It's totally up to you. Anyway, I hope this video helps. Leave us a comment. May God bless.